Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Choice watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here on the list of icons you should see this icon with the sun. This is the brightness icon and you can tap on it, and once you tap on it, it should bring you to the menu to adjust the brightness, and you can swipe on the slider to adjust the screen brightness of your watch. You can also do this through the settings, so if you press the side button to go back to home screen and then press it again to open the menu, you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings you can tap on display and brightness, and here you can tap on brightness settings, and you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.